Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can sign in on Paramount Plus. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply go ahead, open up your Paramount Plus app on your phone. Now tap on the sign in option at the bottom. Now all you gotta do is simply add in your email right over here and your password respectfully, and then tap on continue for the further sign in. That is basically how you will get signed in or logged in at once. But in case you have forgotten your password, you're going to tap on this option of forgot password, right? So for you to simply add in your email, get the reset code, and simply reset your password to a new password and sign in as well. So that's how easy it is. It only requires an email and password that you create your account with, and you will be able to sign in or log in on your Paramount Plus account. So that's it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.